Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the December month has already started and that means it's time for Christmas. So let's do a Christmas design. For that I have decided to do a Santa Claus nail art because I haven't done any Santa Claus design yet. But this will not be a simple Santa Claus design, this will be a 3D Santa Claus design. Now you're probably thinking who will wear such kind of design on a day-to-day basis, but if you're going for a Christmas party and if you wear this design, you will surely be the center of attraction. So if you want to learn how you can create this design by yourself and want to attract everyone, then keep on watching. But if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So let's get started. In this video, I will be using these two new nail polish by Beromt. One is a purple nude nail polish and its name is Sweet Enough and its code is BPSB05 and it is from their Sweet Bubble series. Another one is a red jelly nail polish and it has some silver glitter as well as little bit of holographic glitter. And its name is Wonderful Trip. And its code is BPWC06 and it is from their Warm Cries series. So first of all, I will be applying this nude nail polish on all my nails and this will be the face color for the Santa Claus. Because of the bright light, the color is showing more whitish, but actually it's not that much whitish. It's little bit of purple tone. Next I will be using this red nail polish and I will apply it just on my nails, that is the hat portion. By the way, if you guys are interested in buying this two nail polish, then check the description of this video where there will be a direct link of both this nail polish. Next we will be working with cottons. Now to stick the cotton, I will be using Fevicol. You can use any kind of glue. Make sure that it's a nice glue that will stick the cottons properly. So first I will apply this glue at the bottom portion of the hat and then I will stick all those cottons and will press it nicely so that it stucks into the nails nicely. And I will wait for the glue to dry. Once the glue is dry, using a scissor I will cut the extra portion of the cottons so that it remains just a line of cotton at the end of the hat. It will look like this after cutting the extra cottons. Next I will be painting the eyes of the Santa Claus. So first of all I will make two big white dots and then I will use black in the center. Now for the nose I will be using a lighter shade of nude so that it can be differentiated with the skin color. For that I am using this nude nail polish by TS Beauty. And using a dotting tool I will make a round shape. And then using a brush I will just give a little bit of curve just to make it a nose, not like a just round ball. Next I will again apply glue at the lower portion for the beard part. I will apply the glue from bottom of the nose to cuticle area in a V shape, just like a beard, a Santa Claus beard. And then I will stick the cottons over it and will press it and will wait for the glue to dry, and then I will again use scissors to cut it into a proper shape. Now if you want you can cut the cottons beforehand and then apply it, or you can just apply the cottons and cut it accordingly. And while cutting, if you feel like that you have cutted more amount of cottons and you need much more, then again apply some glue over the cottons and stick more extra cottons over it. In this way you can build the amount of cottons you want. Next, using a dotting tool I will apply a red dot for the mouth. Now one thing I forgot to mention, that after doing the eye and the nose, make sure you apply the top coat, because after that you will not be able to apply top coat. If the eyes and the nose are smooth and you don't need a top coat, then skip it, just like I did. But if you feel like that the eyes and the nose are not smooth and you need a top coat, then make sure you apply the top coat, because after making the beard you will not be able to apply the top coat. Lastly, make a small cotton ball for the hat and using glue stick it at the top of your hat. If you want, you can also stick the end portion of the beard with your nails. So this is the 3D Santa Claus design. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. So, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.